The Bamboo Tree, a story of patience and perseverance. There was once a man who wanted to grow a bamboo tree. He planted the seed in the soil, watered it daily, and eagerly waited for it to sprout. The first year passed, and there was no sign of growth. People laughed at him, telling him he was wasting his time. But he didn't give up. The second year came and went, yet still, no sprout. Doubts crept in, but he kept nurturing the soil, believing in the seed's potential. By the third year, not a single leaf had emerged. Many advised him to abandon his efforts, but he remained steadfast. 4 years passed with no visible progress. The man questioned himself, wondering if all his efforts were in vain. Yet, he chose to persist. The first sprout, the man's joy as a small bamboo shoot breaks through the soil, with sunlight streaming down, representing hope and breakthrough image. Then came the fifth year. To everyone's amazement, a small bamboo shoot finally broke through the soil. And within just 6 weeks, it grew 80 feet tall. What had the bamboo been doing all those years? It had been growing its roots, building a strong foundation to support its incredible height. Just like the bamboo tree, success often takes time. You may not see immediate results, but every effort you put in builds your foundation. Stay patient, remain consistent, and believe in your growth. Your breakthrough will come when the time is right.